Hello friends, we are going to study about twilight. Twilight is the time between dawn and sunrise or between sunset and dusk. Twilight is the illumination of the Earth's atmosphere when the sun itself is not directly visible because it is below the horizon. Twilight is produced by sunlight scattering in the upper atmosphere illuminating the lower atmosphere so that the surface of the Earth is neither completely lit nor completely dark. Definition by geometry. Twilight is defined according to the scalar elevation angle, which is the position of the three established geometric center of the sun relative to the horizon. There are three widely accepted subcategories of twilight: civil twilight, nautical twilight, and astronomical twilight.
Twilight is the transition between day and night, the time when light is visible before sunrise or after sunset, even though the sun is below the horizon. Though it is commonly referred to as dusk or dawn, twilight is actually a defined astronomical event. So when is twilight? Evening twilight begins not here, but right now. Just like sunrise and sunset, twilight times change every day and are directly related to your own specific location. This is caused by the fact that our planet rotates on a tilted axis in relation to the sun. Twilight has three stages which occur both in the morning and in the evening. Civil twilight, when the sun is between 0 and 6 degrees below the horizon, is often described as the time before sunrise or after sunset when you can easily see the horizon in most objects. Nautical twilight, when the sun is between 6 and 12 degrees below the horizon, is the time when there is just enough darkness for sailors to navigate using the stars. And astronomical twilight, when the sun is between 12 and 18 degrees below the horizon, is usually thought by casual observers to be nighttime, since it is so dark. But for astronomers, it does make a difference in that even the least amount of light makes it impossible to observe certain astronomical sights. Twilight awareness is knowing that the day doesn't end when the sun goes down. How much time and light there is depends on the date and where you are. With Sky Clock, you can plan for how much light you will have on any given day at any location. This is Twilight, brought to you by Sky Clock.
Next, we are going to see the views of twilight in religions. In Christian practice, vigil observance often occur during twilight on the evening before major feast days or holy days. For example, the Easter Vigil is held in the hours of darkness between sunset on Holy Saturday and sunrise on Easter Day. Hinduism, many rituals including Sandhya Vadanam and Puja are performed at twilight hour. Eating of food is not advised during this time. Sometimes it is referred to as Asura Sandhya Vela. It is believed that Asuras are active during these hours. Islam. Twilight is important in Islam. Morning twilight is when morning prayers are done, while evening twilight is the time for evening prayers. Sahar time for fasting ends at morning twilight. Fasting is from the beginning of dawn to sunset. Judaism. In Judaism, twilight is considered neither day nor night. Consequently, it is treated as a safeguard against encroachment upon either. For example, the twilight of Friday is reckoned as Sabbath Eve and that of Saturday as Sabbath Day. And the same rule applies to festival days. Thank you.